Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Idris bin Shamsuddin. I'm from Malaysia, 22 years old, and still continuing my study in University Technology Malaysia. Today I will sing two songs. The first song is from Brother Mahir Zain, The Chosen One, and the second song from Brother Sam Yusuf, You Came to Me. In a time of darkness and grief, it is your light that we need. You came to teach us how to live. Muhammad, Ya Rasulullah, you were so caring and kind. Your soul was full of light. You are the best of mankind. Muhammad, khairu khalqillah. Sallu ala Rasulillah, Habibil Mustafa. Peace be upon the messenger, the chosen one. Sallu ala Rasulillah. Peace be upon the chosen one. You came to me in the hour of need, when I was so lost, so lonely. You came to me, took my breath away, showed me the right way to lead. You fill my heart with love, show me the light above. Now all I want is to be with you. You are my one true love. Tell me to never judge. Now all I want is to be with you. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina al-Mustafa, ala Habibika Nabika Mustafa. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina al-Mustafa Mustafa, ala Habibika Nabika Mustafa Mustafa. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.